Making money through YouTube videos can be a rewarding venture. You'll earn a commission for each sale, but it's essential to understand that it takes your referral link, effort, and consistency. Here's a guide to help you get started. 1. Choose your niche ***. Select a specific topic or niche for your YouTube channel. It could be anything from techno, technology, cooking, fashion, gaming, travel, or personal development. Picking a niche will help you target a specific audience and grow a dedicated subscriber base. Create high-quality content. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and video editing software to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Be consistent. Regularly upload content to your channel. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Set a schedule that you can manage, whether it's once a week or multiple times a month. Optimize SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and gain more visibility. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and interact with your viewers. Building a community around your channel will increase engagement and encourage people to return for more.